Hi, I'm Spencer, owner and founder of Spencer's Mattress here in Ventura, California. I've been manufacturing mattresses for nearly 40 years. We started in 1986. And I wanted to create this channel to educate people more about how mattresses are made. So this channel is specifically designed to show you how a mattress is made. We have a funny saying in this industry about going down the rabbit hole, which many of you that call me say you're just gone down a rabbit hole and don't know where to go. So we're here to answer questions and hopefully make that not happen for you. And the first thing we do is we deconstruct mattresses here, which means we actually take older mattresses that people have had for a year or two, maybe sometimes longer, and we'll take a video shot of us taking it apart and explaining the different components and what's so good and bad about that particular mattress. There's a lot of reviews out there on the market, and we want to make sure and give each mattress a fair review with no biases to it. So that's kind of the purpose of this channel. And also, we want to make sure that you educate yourselves so you get a better price to value proposition, which means you're not going to overspend for a mattress that you could have spent a lot less on, as long as you know how they're made and more of an educational look on it. So we do make our own beds here. As you can see, this is our factory, and we have guys manufacturing mattresses here. We custom build mattresses, large size, small size. We tailor fit our mattresses for our clients, which means that if you were interested in purchasing a mattress from us, you would simply call me or email me, and then we'll go over all the parameters in depth in regards to what your needs are, and we'll custom make this mattress for you. So that's our particular niche within the industry. We do carry production line product too from other brands, but that's not what we specialize in. We're more into crafting this specifically for your needs. So if anyhow, if you like this, if you like what you see here, why don't you go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, and then we'll educate you to the best of our knowledge. So thank you and have a great day.